Day 3 on Carnival Conquest, and we've officially stepped into paradise. Welcome to Half Moon Cay, Carnival's private island in the Bahamas. We kicked off the day with a ferry ride from the ship to shore, toes in the sand, ocean breeze in our face, and yes, this island is giving luxury castaway vibes. Then came the free beachside barbecue, courtesy of Carnival, but the real magic? Suiting up for our Stingray encounter. And baby, they were feeling friendly. Stick around because this island day, she's one for the books.
It's one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home, so am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real. Now am I wrong? I'm trying to reach the things that I can't see. That's just how I feel.
Alright, before you get too excited and rush down the gangway, hold up. To get over to Half Moon Cay, everyone has to board a water ferry from the ship.
Water taxi. Huh? Water taxi.
Heading over to the island.
Huh?
And unless you're booked on a Carnival approved excursion like we were, you'll need to grab a numbered boarding ticket from the adventure desk first to keep things smooth and crowd free. We didn't have to worry about that though. Our Stingray Excursion tickets doubled as our boarding passes, so we were cleared to go. After waiting about 15 minutes for the boat to fully load, we were off, cruising across crystal blue waters on our way to one of the most beautiful private islands in the Bahamas. The second we stepped off that ferry, woo, we were in for a treat. The sand, powder soft like baby flour. The water, so clear it looked like someone turned the saturation all the way up. We took our time just strolling, soaking in all that untouched beauty. No cars, no chaos, just palm trees swaying and the occasional chicken strutting by like they run the island. And of course, we had to dip our feet in that perfect turquoise water. Baby, the way that ocean wrapped around your ankles, instant peace. Now, while we're taking in these views, let's talk about how this little slice of heaven came to be. Half Moon Cay is actually short for Little San Salvador Island, and Carnival Corporation bought this whole island back in 1996 for around $6 million. Yes, they bought a private island like it was a weekend timeshare. It's about 2,400 acres, but Carnival only uses a small piece for guests. The rest stays untouched nature preserve. That's why it feels so peaceful and almost untouched. And here's the tea. Carnival's got big plans for this place. They've been working on new developments, including a pier expansion, so guests won't need water shuttles in the future. And it'll make getting here faster and easier. So yeah, this ain't just another beach stop. It's giving VIP island vibes exclusively for us cruisers. Go. Get in there. Get in there. After all that walking and waiting, our stomachs were talking. Good news, Carnival's got us covered with a free beach barbecue. And y'all, they did not skimp. We're talking juicy burgers, barbecue chicken, island slaw, and corn on the cob hot off the grill. Alright, so we're sitting here. They're serving free lunch here on the island, Half Moon Cay. So it's a long line, so we're just waiting to see if we can get some lunch before our excursion. And yes, the lines can get long, but they move quick and the food hits the spot. Just follow the crowd, grab a shaded picnic table, and enjoy that island breeze while you eat. It's giving all-inclusive all day and all delicious. So we got to go on the Stingray Excursion. Now this was the moment we've been waiting for, our Stingray Adventure Excursion. We got suited up with our safety gear and listened to a quick safety rundown. Because let's be real, stingrays are gentle, but they're still wild animals. Respect is a must.
You gotta put your stuff in the lockers. Once you're done, you gotta form a line.
Okay, we're swimming with the stingrays. The water's cold today. Okay, this is crazy. We got gloves because this is how you touch the stingrays right here.
Go ahead.
Come on, Mom.
Come right here. Come right here. Come on.
Mama's way over there. She's not listening to me anyway.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I gotta put my phone away because one of these things touch my leg, I'm probably gonna drop this phone. See them out there? All the stingrays. Oh, there's a baby right there. Mom, come on! Y'all, come on!
I can't do it.
Yes, you can! This one. Ooh! That thing is so huge.
Oh, this shadow.
You got this! All right, Mon. Once we stepped into that water and saw those graceful rays gliding by, it was surreal. Some were huge, some were tiny, and yes, you get to feed and touch them under the guide's supervision. It's calm, it's safe, and it's one of those moments where you really stop and say, wow, I'm out here doing this. Highly recommend it if you're looking to add a little adventure to your beach day.
I'll get sunshine on the cloud.
And just like that, we're off to our final port stop, Nassau, Bahamas. But instead of sticking with the usual tourist trail, we decided to take a detour and head out to the gorgeous Cable Beach and luxury Baha Mar Resort. Trust me, if you're looking for something a little more chill and a whole lot more scenic, you don't want to miss what we found out there. So go ahead and hit that like button, and if you've been cruising right along with us, subscribe so you don't miss the final day of our Carnival Conquest Bahamas series. We've got more tips, more views, and a few surprises coming up next.